everyone. Welcome you all to Imagination Gallery. Here we try to show you different types of drawings and stories behind it. So if you are an art lover and wants to know the unknown facts, press the subscribe button now. Now let me introduce you to today's topic. Today in our Africa series, we will draw musical side of Africa. So be a part of this artistic expressions of rhythmic patterns, paintings and stories behind African music. Friends, we have seen so many aspects of Africa, from tribes to village life, from street murals to colors. Imagination Gallery tried to bestow all relevant details of every aspect of Africa. What about music this time? I'm sure it will be magical and thrilling experience. Here in this contemporary representation of this illustration, we can see people are grooving at the beat of music. Let's now indulge ourselves into the music of Africa coming alive on my canvas. Okay, so meanwhile we are drawing this, allow me to echo that on March 19th video in our channel, we have already adorned and explored the musical side of Africa. But this time we will dive into more depth. In ancient times, the musical cultures of sub-Saharan Africa extended into North Africa. Between circa 8000 and 3000 BC, human occupation of the Sahara greatly increased, and along rivers and small lakes, Neolithic or New Stone Age cultures with a so-called aquatic lifestyle extended from the Western Sahara to the Nile River Valley. The cultures of the Green Sahara left behind a vast gallery of iconographic documents in the form of rock paintings, among which are some of the earliest internal sources on African music. One is a vivid dance scene discovered in 1956 by the French ethnologist Henri Indi Tahsili in Ager Plateau of Algeria. Attributed on stylistic grounds to the Saharan period of Neolithic hunters, this painting is probably one of the oldest extant testimonies to music and dance in Africa. The body adornment and movement style are reminiscent of dance style still found in many African societies. So in every way, now we can grant that paintings are an integral part of any aspect of human society, aren't they? But African music is more than just aesthetic expressions. African music is a total art form closely linked to dance, gesture and dramatization. It permeates African life and has a function, a role to play in the society. Songs are used for religious ceremonies and rituals, to teach, to give guidance, to tell stories, to mark the stages of life and death, to provide political guidance or express discontent also. It serves to entertain and is used in ceremonial festival as well. In the sub-Saharan African music traditions, it frequently relies on percussion instruments of every variety, including xylophones, djembes, drums, and tone-producing instruments such as mbira or thumb piano. African music has juju, fuji, high life, makossa, kizomba, afrobeat and other musics also. So like the music of Asia, India and other Middle East, it is highly rhythmic music in Africa as well. African music consists of complex rhythmic patterns, often involving one rhythm played against another to create a polyrhythm. Friends, African musicians aim to express life in all its aspects through the medium of sound. Another distinguishing form of African music is its call and response nature. One voice or instrument plays a short melodic phrase, and that phrase is echoed by another voice or instrument. The call and response nature extends to the rhythm, where one drum will play a rhythmic pattern echoed by another drum playing the same pattern. African music is also highly improvised. A core rhythmic pattern is typically played, with drummers then improvising new patterns over the static original patterns. The essence of African music lies in its expression of the human experience. Although the different styles vary widely in their tone, topic and the tools used to produce them, African music has the ability to cross all color and cultural lines. Music in Africa is a natural phenomenon. It is an essential expression of life, beginning with the gentle lullabies heard in infancy and continuing with the games of childhood and the songs and dances associated with adult responsibilities. Music accompanies everywhere there. So does painting. A fundamental document which most of the time passed over by many becomes essential when needed to uncover the truth of human life, human history, and human mind personalities. all enjoyed and liked today's epiphany of African music? Transmit your thoughts, feedback and suggestions about our drawing session here in the comment box. So if you like our drawing sessions and you want to know about different illustration paintings and the stories behind it, then do not forget to subscribe our channel. Here is wishing you an incredible weekend ahead. Stay safe and take care. Bye for now.